dear traders, I'm Anna Kasatkina and you're watching the latest economic calendar on Insta TV. At the end of the current week, the following macroeconomic events will attract the attention of investors. On Thursday, the Australian Bureau of Statistics will publish data on the country's unemployment for December 2015. Most analysts expect a rise of 0.1%. In November 2015, the Australian unemployment fell to 5.8% from 5.9% in October. The actual reading did not coincide with market forecasts, as economists had anticipated an increase to 6%. Meanwhile, the economy generated 71,400 new vacancies, but experts predicted the growth of 10,000 jobs in comparison with October. The largest increase in job number was reported in New South Wales, thus pointing to employment growth in non-mining sectors. On Thursday as well, the Bank of England will announce its monetary policy decision for January. Markets predict the same 0.5% interest rate unanimously. During the previous meeting, the British regulator also decided to keep its benchmark interest rate unchanged at the level of 0.5%, which has been held since March 2009. Experts believe that the US economic growth and falling crude prices could boost consumer and investment growth in the UK. That is why, to stimulate inflation growth to 2% in the country, the Bank of England may lift its key rate earlier than analysts expect. In December, the UK inflation was at the lowest level since 2000. Currently, most analysts suppose that the interest rate hike will take place as soon as mid-2016. On Friday, the United States will release its data on Producer Price Index for December 2015. The indicator is forecasted to have dropped by 0.2% compared to the previous month. In November, U.S. producer prices tumbled by 1.1% regarding the same period of 2014. It was the 10th drop in a row. At the same time, PPI climbed by 0.3% on a monthly basis. Still, there are just a few signs of rising inflation pressure in the economy. Economists had predicted a zero change in the index. From the historical point of view, the indicator stands at low levels due to sliding crude prices, surging US dollar and weak foreign demand. Moreover, on Thursday, Germany will reveal its economic growth data for 2015. The United States will unveil its statistics on unemployment claims. European Central Bank President Mario Draghi will deliver a speech. On Friday, the US will end the current trading week with reports on retail sales, industrial production and consumer sentiment. And this concludes the calendar of the latest financial events prepared for you by Insta TV team. See you next week. Bye.